So here we have a possible dot trend short. First, let's run through some of our rules. Now, since this is a counter trend trade, we do expect it to happen at the end of a long trend. We do see our blue line is showing some divergence. It is moving against the current trend, and we can see our numbers on the blue line counting sequentially when this is happening. And what we're looking for is, if this plots as a turn bar with a red dot above it, we need to see our blue line number between 5 and 6 when it crosses and gets below the purple line. Any number between 5 and 10 will qualify that rule. And we also need to see the blue line below the purple line. We also need to see our super trend outside of its extreme zone, the yellow dashed line here, or at plus 60 or above. We can think of this super trend as being a giant rubber band that is pulled too tight and shows signs that it may snap back in the opposite direction. And lastly, I'm simply waiting for my turn bar to plot with a red dot above it. Now, if the turn bar does plot and a red dot plots above it, we will be fully qualified for a divergence reversal at this point, but we will still wait for 2 additional color bars to plot to confirm the direction, and then we'll look to enter on a retracement. Alright, so now we see that we did have our turn bar plot with a red dot above it. My blue line is below my purple line, and the number is 6, letting me know that the blue line has been moving in the opposite direction of the trend for at least 5 bars, no greater than 10. And my super trend is outside of the extreme zone on this bar. So I need to see my second color bar plot. And then as the fourth color bar is building, we will attempt a retracement entry back to our original turn bar entry price, which would be 20,668. All right, now my second color bar has plotted. So I need to wait and see if this bar will retrace back to my original entry price of 20,668. And we see our entry price was reached, so we put our order in, but did not get filled just yet. Alright, and our order was filled. And we'll use the same money management strategy we use with the continuation, single T, and dot trend, looking for a profit target of 8 ticks with a 22 tick initial stop. And now we see our profit target was hit, and our stop has been adjusted to break even, and we are now in a free trade and trailing the market. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find the divergence reversal to be a powerful counter trend trade to add to your trading arsenal. So here I see a divergence long setting up. You can see we have enough divergence on my blue line here. So what we're waiting to see is for my turn bar to plot with a green dot underneath it. I have enough divergence. I want to see my blue line moving in the opposite direction of the trend for at least 5 bars when that turn bar plots, which it has been. The blue line is currently at 6, letting me know it has been moving against the current trend for the last 6 bars. And my super trend is outside of the extreme zone here. It is at minus 93. I only need to see it below minus 60, so that rule is qualified as well. So now I just need to wait for a turn bar to plot with a green dot, and to make sure my blue line is on the correct side of the purple line, which it likely will be if this bar plots as a turn bar. Alright, now I see my turn bar plot with my green dot, so my divergence reversal is fully qualified at this point, but I do want to wait for my 2 color bars to plot to make sure that this does not turn into a reversal. And then I want to wait for a retracement back to my original entry price of 1359.3, which was the green DPI that plotted this turn bar. So I'm going to prepare for a retracement of 1359.3, and now we just have to wait and see if the price comes down below our original entry price. Alright, and now that my order was filled, we are in this trade, and we just need to wait for it to continue in the direction to hit our profit target. Alright, and our profit target was hit, and our stop was adjusted to break even. And as the trade continues to move, our stop will trail automatically, securing some more ticks as the run continues. Alright, we were able to grab a couple extra ticks with that runner. Now that you've seen the divergence reversal in action, we hope you can apply the rules to spot this very powerful trade setup and add it to your trading arsenal.